The COVID-19 case rate in Yakima County has more than doubled since the beginning of the month, and local healthcare workers are being overwhelmed with patients. KVU's Emily Goodell has the latest on the situation at Yakima Valley Memorial Hospital.
Almost every bed at Yakima Valley Memorial Hospital is full, and with 1 out of every 4 patients having COVID-19, the pandemic is hitting them harder than ever before.
We are at our breaking point in terms of being able to manage healthcare for this community.
Emergency room beds are filling up with overflow patients, and the waiting room is packed.
And if you're lucky, you're going to get back and probably get taken care of on a hallway stretcher in the middle of the hallway with a lot of other people around.
Healthcare workers are burned out across the board.
There's nothing worse than showing up day after day, getting called in on your day off, staying over, working 2 shifts in a row just to fill these holes, and then leave and find out that your community doesn't even believe that what you're doing is real.
The hospital can only handle so many patients who need oxygen at once.
We're managing right now, but I can tell you that we don't have any more capacity to flex. Once you fill those beds out and you max out that oxygen capacity, then you go to tanks. And that's fine, but on high flow oxygen, you blow through one of those tanks pretty darn quickly.
Hospitals across the country are having the same problem, and supply is limited.
Once you get there, that's when you have to start making those really tough decisions about, who's going to get the resources. It's not a theoretical discussion for me now. It's actually something that I can actually legitimately see happening at some point with the direction we're going.
Hospital officials say things are going to get worse before they get better. Hospital officials say the only way things will get better is if people wear their face masks and get vaccinated. Reporting in Yakima, Emily Goodell, KVU Local News.
Thank you, Emily. Well, hospital officials say less than half of people in Yakima County are fully vaccinated, and only 43% of Yakima residents are wearing face masks in public.